In this video, we will talk about nanotechnology and its applications. Producing and investigating of new things or productions in critical range from 1 nanometer to 100 nanometers can be called as nanotechnology. The idea about nanotechnology is first discovered by Richard Feynman. Later, the book Engines of Creation was published by Eric Drexler and he introduced a deep explanation about nanotechnology. Let's see about measurements related to nanometers. 1000 millimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1000 micrometers is equal to 1 millimeter. 1000 nanometers is equal to 1 micrometer. Let's talk about Lotus effect. The self-cleansing activity of lotus leaves because of the hydrophobic condition on its surfaces is known as lotus effect. This hydrophobic condition is exists in lotus leaves as well as dragonflies' feathers. What is changed in the physical and chemical properties? Let's see. From physical and chemical properties of matter changed when they are in nanoscale particles. Metal copper is transparent on the nanoscale. Carbon can be conduct resistant free conductors at nanoscale are examples for these physical and chemical changes. How to see nanoparticles? We need an electric microscope to see nanoparticles because we can't see through our naked eye. There are three main types of microscopes to see nanoparticles. They are atomic force microscopes, scanning probe microscopes, scanning tunneling microscopes. What is graphene? Let's see. Graphite has a layered structure and scientists tried to separate a single layer for decades. The scientists Andrei James and Konstantin Novoselov found a single layer of graphite and equipment needed a scotch tape and a piece of graphite. They got the Nobel Prize for Physics in 2011. Graphene has the ability to be flexible and its thickness is 0.5 nanometers. Let's talk about carbon nanotubes. There are two main types of carbon nanotubes. SWCNT, simple wall carbon nanotubes. MWCNT, multi-wall carbon nanotubes. A nanotube made by rolling single layer is SWCNT, simple wall carbon nanotube, and a nanotube made by rolling multi-layers is MWCNT, multi-wall carbon nanotube. What is this fluorine? Fluorine is a molecule that contains 60 atoms arranged in the shape of a football. Its diameter is about 1 nanometer. Let's talk about applications of nanotechnology. There are five main categories of applications of nanotechnology. They are field of medicine, field of transport, power generation, electric science, producing consumer goods. Let's get into field of medicine. Helpful for destroy cholesterol and lipids of blood, can remove cancer cells without harming tissues, treatments for repair tissues and bones without operating, to inject drugs without using injection needles, used to protect from ultraviolet rays and infrared rays by using nanoparticles. Nanoparticles are used to know the sugar and cholesterol level of the blood. Let's get into field of transport. Very light, fuel economic motor vehicles, aircrafts, boats, and spacecrafts can be made by using nanotechnology. Helpful for produce heavy duty rechargeable batteries and heat controllable machineries, wear resistant tires, solar panels, glasses made by nanotechnology. Producing consumer goods. Nanopolymers are used to manufacture very light, durable, and very powerful equipments, used to produce high quality detergents and bleachings, used to make paints and lubricants that resist to water, can be used in water purification activities, can produce aluminium, steel, tar, more flexible and with high durability. Let's consider about future conditions that may arise because of nanotechnology. Air, water, and soil can be polluted by nanoparticles. Health problems may arise due to collection of nanoparticles in human and animal body. Calamitous issues in society due to collection of nanoparticles. Severe disasters occur because of armaments produced by nanotechnology. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, like and comment. Thank you.